Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the last trading day of the month and the year. I wasn't expecting that volatility in the market, but we had amazing volatility in the market and most of my traders bank amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how I help them through live intraday analysis and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. And let's move into the three major currency pair, Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD and if you look at the 4-hour chart, and I was expecting the price might gonna be stay within this consolidation until next year, but we had amazing. If you look at the candlestick pattern, we have this bullish engulfing candle and price nicely came back, as you can see here, and then reverse. That's to give us the sign, the bullish sign. So we had a beautiful breakout, and afterward explained my trader just keep taking a pullbacks, guys, and let's see the target would be this level. So let me share with you how I analyze. We are long from yesterday. Let me share with you guys. Okay, so this morning, as you can see here, explain to my trader, look for this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken. As soon as the price hit to the fib channel, that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to bank some profit, and after banking this profit, I explained to my trader just look for another pullback. As you can see here, at the New York session, look for this pullback, and we had a beautiful, you can see here, price nicely developed a double bottom at the support level, pullback and another pullback. Explain as soon as the price hit to the orange EMA, that's what I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullbacks as long as the momentum is bullish. We had as soon as the price about to hit to the fib channel, which is the profit target, and that's what I explained to my trader, guys, it's time to enjoy some profit. And we had amazing trade on Euro USD, you can see it. And let's move into the pound dollar. If you look at here in 4-hour chart, and we have the short trade here because we were expecting price might gonna break and break this support level. Price came back and respected this level previous high, as you can see, which is broken and respected here after the previously respected. So we had this breakout short trade here, bank few pps, and then we also had a long trade here once we see the price rejection. Let me share with you guys how I analyze entries in intraday. If you look at, if you look at the intraday chart, as you can see here, yesterday we had this long trade here, and today, this morning, as you can see here, price nicely respected this resistance level. So we have this breakout in here as soon as the price broken this level, as soon as the price hit to the inside the Bollinger Band in 200 EMA at the intraday system. That's what I explained to my trader. Either you can bank some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. So we had a few good pippies, and once the price respected at this level, in support level in intraday, you can see here the price developed a double bottom here and price nicely broken. I explained to my trader, today is the last trading day of the year, so explain to my trader, look for the safest trade if the price is going to come back at this level, or if it's going to respect this orange EMA, then we're going to take a long trade here on pullback. As you can see here, once the price developed pullback, so we announced that pullback through live audio commentary, and we had such an amazing beautiful long trade here as soon as the price hit to the resistance level in 4-hour, and that's what I explained to my trader, guys, it's time to enjoy some profit. So you can see here we had amazing trade on pound dollar, both short and long here. All right, so dollar CAD is the trade of the day and the trade of the week. We had amazing trade on dollar CAD. If you look at in the 4-hour chart, and as soon as the price broken this previous low, and that's what I explained to my trader, now we should be keep taking all pullbacks, just focus on pullback short trade here because the price broken the major support. And if you look at here, there is no traffic, we call a no traffic trade. So I say, guys, just keep enjoying pullback short trade here. And let me share with you how I analyze the entries in intraday. And even if you look at we were short from yesterday, we had this breakout once the price broken this support level, previous low in 4-hour, Yesterday we had this breakout as soon as the price hit to the profit target, bank beautiful pips, and this morning explained to my trader, guy, just keep taking a pullback. Said to my trader, if the price is going to touch orange EMA or this pullback, just focus on pullbacks. As you can see here, we have one pullback after this analysis, which we announced through live video documentary. We have another pullback, beautiful pips. And also I did this updated that analysis because some of the traders was expecting price might going to reverse, and I explained to my trader, that's what I did, analysis instantly for them, explain to them we should be looking only counter long trade here if the price is going to break this previous high. That's what I did. So I say, guys, we are looking a short, but if you really want to be, look for this breakout. If the price is going to break the previous high and retest, give us the confirmation, then we long. Otherwise we are consider. You can see here price nicely broken the previous low. Another beautiful trade as soon as the price hit to the red fib channel, which is the first final target. Explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. And then afterwards I did another analysis at the New York sessions. Explained to my trader, if the price is going to touch this level or orange EMA, as you can see here, we just be looking here, short trade here. We another pullback, which we announced through live audio commentary and through analysis. As soon as the price hit to the support level, you can see here, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. So today we had an amazing trade, especially on dollar CAD. Most of the traders really enjoyed it. As you can see here, such a beautiful trade. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis, and as always mentioned to you guys, next year, if you would like to enjoy banking pips in real time through live intraday analysis, or even if you are struggling in forex trading, as you have seen, I train and coach trader with the live market in real time, because I believe this is the best way to train and coach, because you cannot learn swimming through watching YouTubes and PDF and all the webinar stuff. You have to be swimming pool with your instructor in the swimming pool in order to learn swimming. Same thing in a trading. You can't just learn trading through webinars or through YouTube videos. You might get the information. I'm not saying that information is wrong and right, but that's not the effective way. The effective way, you should be with the instructor in real time with the live market, where instructor can see all of your trades and give you the feedback in real time and coach you with the live market. And that's why you're going to build your confidence and you can develop your trading skill effectively. If you are interested how I coach and train my traders and how I help my other traders to bank amazing profit every single day, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description, and I look forward to see you next year online, and definitely I can help you to bank amazing profit. Or even if you are experienced trader, you have seen this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. All the best, guys. Have a happy new year, happy new year, and have a nice weekend, have a nice evening. All the best, stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.